In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to Asana. Inviting teammates to Asana is quick, and doing it correctly ensures people land in the right place from the start. We'll walk through what you'll see in the web app and the mobile app, how to add a short note, and what to expect after you send the invite. By the end, you'll be confident getting your team into Asana without any confusion. First, open Asana in your web browser or the mobile app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team before you invite anyone. If you belong to multiple organizations, take a second to glance at the workspace or team name shown in the sidebar or at the top of your screen so you invite people to the right spot. Now, look for the Invite button. In the web app, it's typically near the top right of the screen, or you might find it in the sidebar next to your workspace or team name. Sometimes it's displayed as an Invite button, other times alongside a plus icon. If it isn't immediately visible, try widening your browser window or checking the team area in the left sidebar. Keep in mind that inviting people may require the appropriate permissions, so availability of the button can vary depending on your role. On mobile, head to your account or team section, then tap the team you're working with. You should see an invite option next to the team name. The exact placement can differ slightly between iOS and Android, but look for a clearly labeled invite button within the team details. Enter your teammate's email address. Double-check spelling and use their work email so they're added under the right organization. If they're new to Asana, they'll be prompted to create or sign into their account using that email. A quick tip: if your company uses multiple domains, confirm you're inviting them with the domain that belongs in this workspace. If the interface offers a message field, add a short, friendly note. This can include context like which project they'll join or what you'd like them to do first. Keep it concise and professional, and avoid sharing any sensitive information here. Finally, click Send Invite. Your teammate will receive an email and often an in-app notification, letting them accept. Let them know to check their inbox and spam folder just in case. Once they accept, you'll see them appear in your team or workspace, ready to collaborate. That's it. Open Asana, find invite, enter their email, add a helpful note if available, and send. You're ready to bring your team on board and get to work.